Numpy argsort, what is it doing? Why is Numpy giving this result when I'd expect it to do this? 3201. Clearly my understanding of the function is lacking.
According to the documentation, returns the indices that would sort an array. 2 is the index of 0.0, 3 is the index of 0.1, 1 is the index of 1.41, 0 is the index of 1.48.
Two, 3, 1, 0 indicates that the smallest element is at index 2, the next smallest at index 3, then index 1, then index 0. There are a number of ways to get the result you are looking for. For example, this checks that they all produce the same result. These IPython %timeit benchmarks suggest for large arrays using _indexed assignment is the fastest. For small arrays, using _argsort twice may be faster. Note also that stats.rankdata gives you more control over how to handle elements of equal value.
As the documentation says, argsort returns the indices that would sort an array. That means the first element of the argsort is the index of the element that should be sorted first, the second element is the index of the element that should be second, etc. What you seem to want is the rank order of the values, which is what is provided by scipy.stats.rankdata. Note that you need to think about what should happen if there are ties in the ranks.
Numpy.argsort A, axis equals 1, kind equals quicksort, order equals none. Returns the indices that would sort an array. Perform an indirect sort along the given axis using the algorithm specified by the kind keyword. It returns an array of indices of the same shape as that index data along the given axis in sorted order. Consider one example in Python, having a list of values as. Now we use argsort function. The output will be. This is the list of indices of values in list example. If you map these indices to the respective values, then we will get the result as follows. I find this function very useful in many places. For example, if you want to sort the list/array but don't want to use list.sort function, i.e. without changing the order of actual values in the list, you can use this function. For more details, refer this link, this URL.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.